Hi, and welcome to Baggers Buddy TV. Today, we're going to make the seasoning you see on every Thai table, Pla Prik, or Prik Pla. Pla meaning fish sauce, and Prik meaning freshly chopped chilies. So we've got the fish sauce here, we've got chilies here, and we're going to add some garlic and lime too. Pretty simple, but effective. Simplicity is key. Who said that? Was it Marcus Aurelius? See? Smart than I look, I'm smarter than I look. Right, quick things. Wash this thing open. Right, get the fish sauce in there. Squeeze the bottle in there. Literally, that's what you want to do. Just the fish sauce like that. Once that's in, we get a lime. So I can open these. I should open this before I start doing this, not really. Anyway, one of these. Got a butter knife for stuff in the kitchen. I'm just going to cut this like this, look. One like slice like that, thick slice like that. I've got that fucking knife. That'll do, look. Just for experimental video and like that. One of them, how? Now we want some chili. One red chili, cut up like that. So like in England, you know, on the tables we've got salt, pepper, vinegar. So basically, they have like this sort of fish sauce, chili, lime, garlic. So we get these red chilies like that, put them in. We're going to stir that. Now we're going to go for the greens. A couple of greens. Then move that out of the way so you can see that. Cut up the chilies. And now put the green chilies in there. Oh, it smells banging already. Stir again. And now we need some garlic. Some nice chopped garlic. Then just doesn't matter how big chunks are, because it's just for flavouring. There we are, throw that baby in. And there you have it, look, simple but effective seasoning. And they call it Pla Prik, Prik Pla. Don't know from how you pronounce it. And that is it. So that is the main ingredients of the seasoning you'll see on every time. Just get a little teaspoon, like that, and just pour it over your omelette, fried rice, chicken fried noodles, anything you fancy. If you've never been to Thailand, you've never tried it, you must, because it is an amazing seasoning just to add just a little bit to it. And if you have been to Thailand, then you know exactly what I'm on about. It's that simple. Cheers. Joking.